Hi everyone. Today we're gonna learn 신호 character 학, which means 배우다, to learn. So let's look at some words that has 학, which means 배우다, to learn. 학교, 학교, it's a learning school. It's a learning school. 학생, 학생, learning people, student. 학년, 학년. 자, be careful. Its pronunciation is not 학년. It's 학년. It's just learning year. Learning year. So it's just school year. 학기, 학기. Learning period. 기 is period. So it's a semester. Learning period. Period. Semester. 초등학교. 자, 초, beginning, 등, level, 학, learning, school. 초등학교, beginning, level, 학, learning, school. So it's a elementary school. 중학교, middle, 학, learning, school. So it's a middle school. 고등학교, it means high, 등, level. High level learning school. So it means high school. 대학교, big, 학, learning, school. Big learning school, university. 학습, learning, and 습, it means also learning. So 학습, learning. 학사, learning, 사, intellectual. learning, 사, intellectual. So it's 학사, bachelor degree or bachelor certificate. 학과, learning, 과, subject, learning subject. So 학과 is scholar department. 학과, it's your learning subject. So it's a scholar department. 영, English, 문, literature, 학, learning. So this is English literature study. 건축, building, 축, building up, 학, learning. So it's architecture study. 방학, release, 학, learning. So it means school break. 네, today we learned 학, 네, 학, and its meaning is 배우다, to learn. Hope it helps, and next time I'm gonna bring with another new 신호 character. See you then!